Hello from Myrtle Beach. We're here at the beautiful boardwalk, right at the beautiful ocean. We're going to give you a tour of this area as well as the Ocean Boulevard side. And this is the week leading up to Christmas, so it's a festive time with some decorations out. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We appreciate you so much. So they've got a lot of eateries here along the boardwalk area. So this is the main boardwalk, and then if you see these lights up here, they've been having some Christmas lights this year, and we did a video on those lights at night, so I will link that in the description below if I can remember. There's Dirty Don's. They are open, and a lot of people ask me, are things open in the off season? Yes, they are. I would say most stuff is open in the off season. There's a few things that close down January and February, and there's some things like Family Kingdom that close down but in the off season, but it's very rare. Oh look, they've got a brand new selfie station here. That's a new one. We've already covered the other two, but this one is definitely different. How cute. That's nice that they keep adding those. Well, they call them selfie stations, but you really can't walk right up to them and take your picture. You need to stand back and do that. So I guess it's a photo op station. There's sweet treats. And definitely stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a couple of special messages that you're definitely going to want to hear about that we'll cover at the very end after we finish the tour. Pretty garland. It's funny, I haven't seen the boardwalk with the decor in the daytime. I've seen it only at night. Even looks good during the day. Really pretty. So there's one of the other selfie stations, and over here we've got hurricanes. And here's the Gay Dolphin. It is a massive gift shop. I mean, massive, so definitely check that out. And then I always like to point this out. There is another sort of selfie wall over here. So if you haven't been following, Myrtle Beach has been trying to rebrand their marketing to say they are the beach, like the beach is the name. So when you see the beach, that's what they're going for there. Boardwalk beachwear. And the beach is beautiful. It's a pretty day today. It's chilly. We're finally getting some sort of Christmas-like weather here. It's been a really warm fall, which I'm happy about. I like the warm weather. And there's one of the other photo ops. But, and no moons. But a little chilly weather around Christmas isn't a bad thing, especially when it's this beautiful. I mean, look at these clear blue skies. So there's the Skywheel, and as I mentioned of things being open year-round, the Skywheel is open year-round, and you can ride it during the day or you can ride it at night, and we do have videos on our channel of both of those. And then these tents you see up here, this is the Christmas market, and that is open in the evening. It's part of the lights that they have down here, and the light situation is free. So this is Plyler Park. If you missed our video about the lights, that's the festival map, but you can definitely go watch that video for a much better explanation of the lights. However, you'll need to run down here and do it the next couple of days because they do end the lights on December 23rd. They are not running them the week of Christmas unless they've changed something. So keep that in mind because I know a lot of people come here Christmas week, so I was shocked they don't run them through New Year's. I was really, really surprised because we get quite a few people. Oh, we got some power washing up here, so I'm going to cut back across so that we don't walk into that. I'm not in the mood for a shower since it's like in the, I don't know if it's the 40s or the 50s right at this moment, but it's chilly, definitely chilly today. So do you have any holiday plans? If so, leave them in the comments below. And if you're coming to the beach, definitely let us know. We love coming to the beach at Christmas. Now we live here, but we used to definitely come here. All right, we got a little noise here. So I wanted to show you this side. We've got the zombies here. You've got one of the only public restrooms right down here that's not part of a business. And then you got It's Sugar. Lots and lots of gift shops. You've got several Ripley's attractions along here. You've got the haunted attraction. You've got the moving theater. You've got the Mirror Maze and Ripley's Auditorium, which is that green building at the very end. Coffee bar. And also you can access the Gay Dolphin from this side. That's right where that gentleman is going in. That is also the Gay Dolphin where this tower is. They've got some cute nutcracker guys out front for Christmas. As you can see, I think the Gay Dolphin put these up because they're only in front of it. Some of these trees have lights, some of the palm trees. That's fun. So over there you got some more gift shops. And I should mention there's a couple of oceanfront arcades here as well. There's Fun Plaza and there's also the Boardwalk arcade. Ooh, big wreaths, that's pretty. But you can also see what the off-season looks like. It's quiet. I mean, we are in the morning. Well, no, we're at lunch. It's lunchtime. I'd say early lunch. So yeah, you can tell. But there are places open and there's places open to eat. We passed one walking in, I'll show you. That's already open. So here's the Fun Plaza that I mentioned. Also, there's access to one of the larger gift shops, the Boardwalk Paradise General Store there, and you can also access that from the beach side. But yeah, this is the Fun Plaza. It's huge. More gift shops over there, as well as they are actually working on the facade for Ripley's. It was damaged during Ian, and so they're redoing that, so that's why it's a different color right now, but eventually that'll probably return to that green color. We'll see, unless they decide to do something different. And then Peach's Corner, which is an eatery that has been here a long, long time. And then straight across over there, that open field, that is where the old Pavilion Park used to be. They have a lot of festivals in that area now. And there is an adventure zip line up there. And a lot of times people ask me about parking. Parking, there's no charge this time of the year for most parking, always check. But there's parking on the street, but there's also a parking deck at the end of the street. And then there's actually parking beyond that if you're willing to walk a little bit. And then over here we have the volleyball courts. And then one of you pointed out I missed some of these things, so we wanted to be sure and show those. They've got the Boardwalk gift shop. You've got Duffy's. And they said right here on their sign they are open 11 a.m. daily. So there's something that's definitely open year-round. The Bowery. And this coffee house has closed permanently. I don't know what's coming back. And I don't think it was a sad story. I think they just decided to retire. I think they were just done. So it says temporarily closed, but I think it'll be a different business when that comes back. So we're back around to the Oceanfront Bar and Grill. And then I want to show you where the lights are on the beach and also talk about a couple of things. So you can see there's lights all up and down here, but if you keep going further down, the boardwalk is quite long. It's actually like 1.7 miles long. If you keep going down that way, there are a ton of lights, and there's also lights on the beach right here, as you can see, that you can walk through. So what I wanted to say is a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed, who have liked, who have commented, or who have just watched. I mean, the watching we really, really appreciate. We also love when you leave us a comment or when you click like, and definitely love it when you subscribe, all those things. So, you know, since we're at the end of the year, it's a time to be grateful and thankful, and I just wanted to thank every single one of you for all of those things. And we hope we've brought you some entertainment and some information that has been useful, helping you plan your Myrtle Beach vacations. And also, I wanted to give a big shout out to the Smoky Mountain family. If you're not familiar with their channel, they mostly cover the Gatlinburg area in Tennessee, although they cover a lot in that area and a lot of other things, including Myrtle Beach. So we highly recommend you check them out. If you do decide to go over there and watch one of their videos, definitely leave them a comment and let them know we sent you over. And we want to thank them because they actually featured us in their 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. They're having giveaways over on their channel, so all the more reason to go check them out. And we want to thank them for that a lot. And if you're one of the people who came over because they mentioned us on their channel, big welcome to you. Thanks so much for coming over. We hope you enjoy what you see here and that you stay with us. And welcome to the channel. We are so glad to have you. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Till our next adventure.